Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Visions. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a heart ring. The materials you'll need is wire, a ring measuring tool. You can also use the top of a nail polish cap to measure your ring. You're going to need a small round nose pliers, a flat nose pliers, and a cutting pliers. You also want a filer for the ends. You want to first start by cutting your piece of wire. I cut mine a little longer than I should have. Then you're going to take the flat nose plier and we're going to make a V shape with that wire. Make sure you're choosing one end to make your V shape with. And this will be the end that we're making the heart with. Now you're going to clamp your round nose pliers to the opposite end. And we're going to take the wire and make a loop using the round nose pliers. Now you want to make a loop on the other side, but you don't have to close the loop. You might have to do a bit of adjusting and then move the wire so it is symmetrical to the heart. Now we're going to measure it on the ring tool. Now cut off the end of your ring. I wanted a little space between the end and the heart, but you can choose to do it closer or farther apart. Here's what the ring looks like. Now just file off your end. This will make it more smooth instead of pokey when you put on the ring. It's okay if you mess up. I messed up a couple times during the video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my shop at designvisions.com for more jewelry.